ProveIt's been really awesome this year. It's pretty incredible to go from what we did last year to see where it's grown into this year. I feel like it's almost tripled in size.
Day 3, ProveIt 2026. This is no joke.
I like the show. It's a little bit different of the, come to our conference and there's 1,000 different booths and everyone is saying the same stuff. And I like the whole ProveIt concept.
If you have that kind of context for AI, like it can run for half an hour currently without any backup session. Once you have that data, there are almost no limitations on the agent standard. So you can see the power of the platform right now.
We love the concept of having to get up there and show people how things work and get it done.
Especially when you all have the same sort of base virtual factory that everyone has to work with. It's quite illuminating, like what every single vendor does. So love the format, love what Walker's doing, and we're really honored to be here.
I got my mind blown 3 times today.
We're having a fabulous time this week. Really enjoying engaging with a larger audience and seeing what everybody's doing.
It's a good eclectic group of people. Everyone's really bullish about AI and technology.
What I'm most excited about seeing is all the other technologies that I've never seen before. I get to learn a lot.
This week is really informative and thank you for arranging all these. I learned a lot about many companies, many groundbreaking technologies.
It's really interesting to see what the potential is and can be in the future.
We're excited to be here, excited to come back next year and future years and continue deepening our relationship with ProveIt.
Cannot wait for day 4. Walker out.